In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a chart in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets document so you can see the data you want to visualize. Make sure your sheet is tidy and that your column headers are clearly labeled. Headers help Google Sheets recognize categories and series, which makes building a clean chart much easier. If you're working with numbers over time, confirm that your dates or times are in a single column and formatted consistently, and that your numeric values are in adjacent columns. Next, select the range of data you want to include in the chart. Click and drag to highlight the cells, including your headers if you have them. Keeping the selection contiguous, meaning all in one block, helps Sheets understand the structure of your data. If your dataset is large, you can click the first cell, hold Shift, and click the last cell to select the entire block quickly. With your data highlighted, go to the top of the page and click the Insert tab. From there, choose Chart. Google Sheets will immediately generate a chart on the sheet and open the chart editor on the right side. By default, Sheets suggests a chart type it thinks fits your data, but you're in full control to adjust it. In the chart editor, start in the Setup section. Use the chart type drop-down to switch between options like column, line, bar, and pie. Match the chart to your goal. A line chart is great for trends over time, a column or bar chart works well for comparing categories, and a pie chart shows proportions of a whole. Confirm that the data range and series look correct, and check options like Use Row 1 as headers, or use Column A as labels if your chart needs them. Then move to the Customize section to refine the look and clarity. You can add a descriptive chart title, adjust axis titles, tweak colors for better contrast, and position the legend so it's easy to read. Grid lines, data labels, and number formatting can make your chart more readable, especially if you're presenting or sharing the sheet. If the chart editor ever closes, just double-click the chart to reopen it. When you're happy with the type and settings, click anywhere outside the chart to save your changes. Google Sheets saves automatically, and clicking outside simply finalizes your selection. That's it. You've created a clear, customized chart that communicates your data effectively.